For a very limited time, join our giveaways and take the chances to win with us. Just check the description.
World financial experts at long last understand that ongoing monetary frameworks are imperfect and unsound in a significant manner. The world requirements a substantially more steady and dependable cash, which is genuinely huge. Blockchains were created by researchers on a calculation that could resolve the issues concerning sustainability and scalability. Be that as it may, there actually stayed a few inquiries unanswered in a significant manner. Consistently, the half-and-half agreement component of blockchain and different tokens rotating around it has likewise been in warmed conversations. Before we dive into the Tezos cost forecast, let us examine a portion of the truly interesting elements of Tezos. Notwithstanding, exceptionally beautiful, few organizations have really gone into tending to the interoperability gives that present different bottlenecks for the exchange in local area and unpretentious way. Tremendous exchange charges and absence of straightforwardness essentially are significant obstacles in deductively created stages. Numerous digital currencies neglected to change these issues, which is genuinely critical. Cryptographic forms of money like Tezos has steadily plagued the standard awareness and built up some momentum. It has stood the trial of times and will keep on doing so give it sees a mass reception. Despite the fact that exchanges are kept in the general blockchain, neither the source nor the beneficiary and not even the sum moved is in any capacity clear to different clients on the organization. The whole structure of Tezos depends on zero revelation proof, accordingly permitting numerical consistency of the whole exchange system, which is cross-checked without uncovering any information or message on the other party engaged with the exchange. Putting the power eventually in the possession of the client, Tezos has customary update plans, and that implies this convention is versatile to meet the shifted use instances of today and the unanticipated use instances of tomorrow. Tezos can trap false or misleading exchanges by peers wherein an affirmed block can follow the previous block. Tezos, evolution from gene to giant. Breaking free from the past blockchain, Tezos was authored as one more upset in the realm of second-age blockchain in the year 2018. Affectionately called a local digital money, Tezos blockchain is equipped for facilitating brilliant agreements and dApps. Presently what compels Tezos stand apart from its rivals like ETH, Bitcoin, and others is that here the direction is incorporated into the blockchain itself. Every one of the proprietors, i.e., financial backers of Tezos, the local crypto XTZ, vote on choices connected with the blockchain, including convention changes, which generally is very huge. Endorsed changes are then naturally applied, as the blockchain is self-change competent. This interesting characteristic makes the whole convention most certainly bring soundness, particularly with no significant stage-situated picture changes. Chipping away at proof of stake, POS, for the most part causes Tezos to bring the upside of lesser exchange expenses to the table. In the POS framework, where stakers are called pastry specialists can secure their tokens in return for the capacity to approve blocks. XTZ tokens with a typical measure of remunerations in every practical sense, get dispersed to bread cooks to wallets that have designated tokens to the dough puncher, which explicitly is genuinely critical. This empowers more modest symbolic holders to partake in the approval and prize process in the event that they hold not exactly the expected sum to turn into a full bread cook. Tezos is additionally effectively associated with reshaping regulation and consistent to imaginative genuinely business principles testing the ongoing biological system. Group Tezos understands that blockchain's maximum capacity can be saddled just when the principal system is set up to make this progressive innovation a blessing from heaven, in spite of prevalent thinking. A very much monitored group of committed experts and researchers of Tezos incorporates Hubertus Thunhauser as the chairman with Alexis Bond, Daniel Masters, and Marilyn Michelaud as members of the Tezos Foundation Council. The executive committee of Tezos has famous names like Ulrich Soter, General Counsel, Arthur Brightman, co-founder and CEO, and Roman Schneider as the in every way that really matters, Chief Financial Officer. Amazingly, Tezos price prediction. Contending and propping in the extreme business sectors, XTZ is a computerized cryptographic money that generally has raised its own height, being known as a computerized or virtual resource with no operations or state borders requirements. One digital currency won't show homage really focal government pressures or be fastened in deficient and administrative money-related shackles in a significant manner. Pandemic has brought to front a mechanical upheaval, has shown a guide to financial backers as XTZ, and thinks about what, which is genuinely critical. All with simply a web association and a cell phone. Tezos has made it feasible for everybody to store and move esteem in a cache that is really impervious to control. Tezos saw the potential chance to remove power from the foundations and offer a superior support, and individuals answered. XTZ works generally, i.e., interestingly, there is plausible of a worldwide money. With the genuinely worldwide money, opportunities for worldwide financial development and social balance are unending. Supported by an improved decentralized accord and built-up network, XTZ intends to offer a firmly established benefit to its clients by disseminating its prizes instrument. The vision is to help the decentralized applications in XTZ, consuming essentially lesser energy and offering greater unwavering quality, all with a soaring pace. No different either way, this vision is accomplished by giving the ceaseless limit of XTZ's primary organization. Endeavoring to impact the world guide of innovation, the whole environment guarantees that members benefit from blockchain-empowered utilitarian benefits, which is genuinely huge. XTZ works with gains and constructs trust. XTZ empowers accommodation and sustains confidence, assisting clients with building fortunes, sending different decentralized app capabilities. When the designers join the detachment, they are profited from a tremendous scope of privileges, incorporating conveying DApp and Tezos.net, developing their organizations dramatically, getting some forward movement as forces to be reckoned with in thought pioneers. It wouldn't be a distortion that this valued digital money could basically break every one of the boundaries and endure everyday hardship, scaling a pinnacle of $10, which is genuinely critical. With government-issued types of money unfit to support themselves following the pandemic, this could come as a relief for all XTZ financial backers, driving them to the way of high expectations and yearnings to execute in Tezos. For instructive purposes, one might peruse the specialized investigation with RSI level, groups, and so on, and news reports of the crypto market, and fundamentally continue to follow the XTZ coin cost conjecture at regular intervals. Tezos Price Prediction 2022, which is genuinely huge. In the event that all market factors turn for Tezos, this digital money cost will perform extravagantly, scaling the top as previously mentioned in an unobtrusive manner, violating all limits throughout the following year, despite the fact that it might show a